week here on the market. So from last week on Gbpusd, we can see that we had a closure, okay, below 1.31 to 50 area of support. From the prior week, we closed as a seller's candle, making a resistant area here, and we see that we tested into it last week and then closed back as a seller's week or selling week. Now, for this week, we will expect the continuation of this momentum on the weekly. Okay, this selling momentum on the weekly to continue. Okay, following the way the market closed last week Friday. See how we closed last week Friday with a large week, bearish engulfing type setup on the daily. I think from the power week, I more or less call that a short because we had a break of structure here on the daily time frame. So bearish candle, bullish candle, kind of support area type setup there that was broken and then we retested into that region. Okay, now we've seen that closure, okay, bearish engulfing type closure, and we could see the momentum continue to the downside. What could we continue it to? Now on the weekly, okay, I'm looking at price maybe coming back into this high here. Okay, let's put this on this horizontal way. So I'm looking at price coming into this previous high that was violated here before continuing to the upside. If not, we could still see 1.3 area of support here being tested. So that's for the higher time frame. So I'm breaking down the lower time frames like the 4 hourly. So on the 4 hour time frame now, we can see that we had a break of structural area and trend line area of support. Okay, as market made that bearish engulfing on daily. So we also had a break of structural areas of support on the 4 hourly as well. As you can see, areas like this. So we know that everything is now pushing to the downside. The weekly is pushing to the downside. The daily last week closed as a bearish engulfing, which could push price to the downside as well. And the 4 hour structure on the lower time frames push is more or less now in a bearish type setup. We could see a continuation to the downside. Yeah, guys. So but for me personally, I will only be looking to enter if I see price reach into maybe 1.3875, which is kind of a key level for me. Okay, for my system, or price break below 1 point, sorry about that guys, or I see price trade below 1.31 to 50 area of support, retest that, and then we'll see that continuation to the downside. So um this is a quick weekly breakdown for GBPUSD, and we'll see how this one plays out for the week. Yeah guys, so have a good trading week ahead, and I'll check back with you guys later.